Hi guys, it's Fanny. Welcome back to Decor by Favi. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. I love to do quick and easy DIYs, everything on the budget. Today's video is so special because I'm doing a special collab with such a talented lady. Her name is Maria from Crafting with Maria. She is amazing. She does a lot of farmhouse decor, a lot of rustic decor, a lot of hauls, and also some blocks. She recently did a beautiful fireplace using cardboard and also foam board from dollar store. I was in shock. She did such an awesome job, and you guys need to go check her channel. You guys will not be disappointing at all. So let's get started. For the first DIY, I'm going to be using one of those boards, some stickers, some cutter, a ruler, some paint that I already have for previous DIY, some twine, and let's get creative. So first I'm going to be just cutting the board with the cutter and the ruler, just like so, and then I'm going to sand it a little bit the edges, and also I'm going to be cut it on half to make smaller pieces, as you can see. I also going to cut in two pieces of the board on the edges, on the corner, just to create like a tag looking thing, something like that. Then I use the white paint, give it one coat, and then the mush color paint, and then create like a little lines just to make the illusions like wood, just like so. And I'm going to be repeating the same step with all, as you can see. Now I'm going to be making a little loops, a simple knot, and then using some hot glue and tie it on the back, and that will be your hanger, just like so. And now is the fun part. Now I'm going to be working with the stickers to be decorating those little ornaments. So I'm going to be using some paint because I don't want the stickers to look so shiny. So I'm going to be using the khaki color and also some green Christmas tree color, I think they call. And I'm going to be painting the little trees because I don't want it to shine, like I said before. So after that, I just place it on the tags the way I want it, and now I'm going to be creating like a little bolt with the burlap ribbon. So I just cut it on half and fold it, tied it with twine, and then that's it. Then I added some greenery, also some white pig on the center, just like so. And now I'm going to be just ready to place it on the tab of the tag, just like so. So you can leave it the way they are, just simple, but I decided to write some words in English and also some in Spanish, like paz, amor, Christmas, Navidad. And then for the last two pieces, I just make two little twine ribbon, just twisting around in my hands, glue it in across, and then you have the flower. I also added a little bit of the green twine, place it on the center, and also I'm going to be just placing a little snowflake sticker and a white berry as well. And there you have it, a beautiful Christmas farmhouse ornament. And now for the second DIY, I'm going to be recycled jars, some pine cone, the same stickers, some twine, and also some white paint and the same khaki paint, and also some white glue. Although the white glue is not necessary, I was looking for some specific effect, but didn't work the way I wanted. I used too much paint, so it didn't come out the way I wanted. So what I did was just mix the paint with the glue. So if you just add a little bit of paint, it really works. So it does like that, like a glass or clear white, something like that. And yeah, it really works, but it didn't work for me this time. So then I just paint the stickers on khaki, and then I just place it around the jar, as you can see. I also added some twine at the edges of the leaves. I'm going to be just placing the pine cone on the center, added some twine around just to hang it, use a little tea light inside, and there you have it. I think at the end they came out really cute. Or what do you think about it? So for the third DIY, I'm going to be using recycled jars again. Some floral foam balls, some miniature trees, some chevron ribbons, some twine, some fake snow, and also a little piece of burlap. So first what I did was just cover the bottom of the little trees with the burlap and also with some twine. And then I'm going to be just glue it on the lid, and I didn't show that part because I really thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So I just cut 2 small pieces of the ribbon and glue it around the lid, as you can see. And I also added some fake snow on the jars, just like so, and then I'm just going to put it back the lids on the jar, and they look beautiful already. So then I just glued the little foam balls on top of the jar, added some twine just to hang it a little bit, and I did burn the twine a little bit, just like so. And I think they came out so cute. I did this DIY, you guys will not believe me, but I did this DIY like 4 times. Because I don't know why, but on my camera, I don't know, I wasn't recording, you know, things happen. And for the last DIY, I'm going to be using those clear plastic ornaments. So and I did was just added some garlands, some berries on the center, some fake snow, and then I just wrapping around the silver part, and then I also make a little twine ball and I just glue it on top, and I think they came out so adorable. And now for the second one, I'm going to be using the ribbon, the chevron ribbon, cut it in half, and then I'm going to start like gluing it across until I finish the entire ornament, as you can see. I also going to be adding some fake snow inside, and also cover the silver part with another small piece of ribbon, just like so, and add some more twine and also a twine ball, and there you have it. And now for the next ornament, I just added some garlic inside, and I'm going to be using some twine and also some curved ribbon. Added a little bit of snow too. So I just glued the curved ribbon in half, like a cross, and then I just going to be adding here and there without any direction at all the twine, as you can see, and of course a little ball of twine. And there you have it. And for the last one, yeah, we almost done, just hanging there. I did basically the same, glue the ribbon and cross, and there you have it. I think it came out beautiful, and that's how they came out. I think they came out really cute. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget check Maria's channel. So see you guys next time. Ciao ciao.